You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes.
Drilling. The drilling operation is shown in this video. Operation of producing a hole on the workpiece. Spindle, workpiece, drill tool. Take a close-up look of spindle, drill tool, workpiece, tool rotation, feed direction. It is done to remove solid metal from the workpiece to produce a circular hole. Reaming. A typical reaming operation is shown in this video. Reamer, workpiece. It is the operation of sizing and finishing a hole already made by a drill using a tool called reamer. Tool rotation, feed direction. Smoothening the surface of drilled holes with the reamer. It removes only small amount of material of the order of 0.1 mm to 0.3 mm and produces a smooth finish and required size. Boring. The visual representation of boring operation in drilling machine is shown. Boring tool. Workpiece. It is the operation of enlarging the already drilled holes to exact size. On a drilling machine, it is carried out by a boring tool. Counter boring. The counter boring operation in drilling machine is shown in this video. Counter boring tool. Workpiece. It is the operation of enlarging the end of a hole cylindrically as for the recess for a counter sunk rivet. It is to increase the size of a hole at one end only to a small depth. Counter sinking. A visual representation of a counter sinking operation on drilling machine is shown in this video. Counter boring tool. Workpiece. Pre-drilled hole. It is the operation of making a cone-shaped enlargement of the end of a hole as for the recess for a flat ahead screw. The tool enters the workpiece axially and enlarges the top portion of an existing hole to a cone-shaped opening. Tapping. The tapping operation is shown in this video. Workpiece. Tapping tool. It is the operation of cutting internal threads by using a tool called a tap. A tap is similar to a bolt with accurate threads cut on it. A tap is screwed into the hole by hand or by machine. Threaded hole. Spot facing. Spot facing is a mechanical drilling or milling process. After the initial hole is drilled, a larger well or recess is drilled into the material. The head of the screw or nail fits into this well. This allows the nail or screw to sit flush with the surface of the item that is drilled.